Okay, guys, here is a quick video just to show you how to work digitally if you would like to sketch your storyboards in Photoshop if you have your tablet already. Okay, so here is this little template I sent you guys with 9 storyboard frames on there. So you can just open this in Photoshop. I'm just going to drag it down here to Photoshop and open it that way. You can also click on File, Open, or right click, Open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay. So here this is. So now, you can take here, switch to your brush tool, just start drawing directly on here. But it's on the same layer as your frames here. So usually you want your sketches on one layer and your frames on another layer. So I'll just show you how to set that up. So right now this is the background layer, so I want to make this into a regular layer. I just double click on it, and I'm going to name it frames, since those are my frames layer. So now there's the frame layer. Now I want to make a new layer. I'll click this. Remember, if your layers aren't out, you go to Window, Layers. Okay. So now I want to rename this Drawing. Okay, and I want to put this underneath my frames layer. Okay, so now I can draw on this layer, but I can't see it because it's underneath my frames layer. So in order to be able to see it, I have to change this layer to a multiply layer, which then makes the white transparent and the black opaque. So that's right here. These are the blending modes for different for layers. So we will use some of these throughout the quarter, but the main one we're going to use is this multiply. So that's the multiply there. So anytime you have something on top that you want to be able to see through the white, we'll also use this multiply layer when we're coloring line work. So once that's the multiply, then I'll lock it. So now I can just draw on this drawings layer. So I'm going to draw on here. I can do, my close-up, my extreme close-up, my wide shot, all these different sorts of frames as I'm working on my storyboards, okay? So that's going to be the main thing, setting this top layer as a multiply and then just drawing on a layer underneath it, okay? So it should be pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And so in the next video, I'll show you how to save these all as a JPEG and then put it all in a PDF to turn in for your homework.